There's something so appealing about a rustic cottage. The cozy warm glow of the fireplace, the natural wood accents, and the old plaid blanket that keeps you warm on those chilly nights. Get the lodge look by choosing furniture and accents which have a hint of that rural country charm, with elements like plaid, fir, wood, and dark metals. Combined, they will feel perfectly rustic without going over the top. First, add a custom-designed button-tufted Chesterfield sofa is the perfect seating option for a country-style room. And this charcoal gray fabric version will give you the look you want without the hefty price tag of a leather version. Or by replacing the sofa with a classic accent chair, it feels like being by the fire at a ski lodge, made of faux leather. Then add this traditional armchair features a black and white buffalo plaid style fabric that will pair well with woods and other neutral materials, and its shape will add a touch of classic detail to your space. The second is not to forget if you are looking for a lamp that can reach your sofa. This curved lamp from Wayfair might be the one for you. Its copper finish will add a little shine to your rustic style room. For a more refined rustic look, give this one-in table and drawer combo a try. It will provide all the practicality you need, while still fitting in with that lodge style. The natural edges on this accent table give it an organic handmade look, and the hairpin legs provide a sturdy base. Then add another buffalo plaid blanket, this time in bright red for a pop of color to offset all the browns, and also add a little texture to your space with this cozy faux fur blanket. Drape it over the arm of your couch, or layer it over a rug for a soft place to rest your feet. Next, accessorized deer accents are the perfect finishing touch to any cottage-style space. Get a pair of these bookends to add a woodsy feel to your bookshelf. Don't forget to candles provide a warm, inviting glow essential to any rustic space. Elevate your pillars by displaying them in these metal deer antler holders. Your living room will look neat and beautiful when you use this rustic apartment style.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.